Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you'll have to take your tablet. Here you have to insert your cards, so you just remove this slot like this, and here you put your SIM card, and here you put your SD card, and then put this, I don't know how to call it, cover for cards. And as you can see, there's a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is found. But I don't know how can I prove you that a SIM card is also found. Basically you just saw that I inserted it, and that's how it's done. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.